Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said India under the NDA government is moving forward as the fastest developing economy in the world despite COVID-19 pandemic. Replying to the discussion on a motion of thanks to the President's address in the Lok Sabha yesterday, Modi said India is the biggest emerging economy. He listed out that India is attracting record foreign direct investments. Modi said India is now among the 5 topmost countries in generating renewable energy. The Prime Minister urged all the political leaders and the people by rising above party lines to resolve to make the country self-reliant. Governor of Nagaland, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, yesterday visited Christian Institute of Health, Science and Research CIHSR, Chumukedima. He visited various departments and wards of the hospital and interacted with the medical personnel. Mukhi congratulated all the frontline workers, the doctors, nurses, paramedics and others for handling the surge of COVID-19 effectively. He urged the administration of CIHSR and the state government to take steps to make affordable healthcare services available to the farthest region in the state. The governor said such steps will also reflect a progressive Nagaland marching ahead in the 21st century. The India Meteorological Department IMD for the first time has installed 2 new Agromet automatic weather stations AWS in Nagaland. The Agromet automatic weather stations were commissioned at Krishi Vigyan Kendras in Lumami and Yi Semyong. In a commissioning program held yesterday, Deputy Director General IMD NE Dr. K.N. Mohan said, "This is just the beginning and the IMD is looking forward to installing Agromet AWS in all the district headquarters." Agriculture Production Commissioner Y. Kiketo Sema said, due to climate change, prediction of seasonal weather had become challenging without the aid of modern observing equipment such as AWS. Stating that meteorology is still a delicate subject for the state, Kiketo assured that the state government is willing to extend all possible help in setting up infrastructure required to build a strong network of weather forecasting. He also thanked the IMD for working closely with the state government for improvement of weather-related services in the state. Power Department has collected revenue of 52.94% and 24.3% for Chumukedima and Dimapur divisions respectively as compared to the previous year revenue collection ending 31st January 2022. This was stated during a special revenue team held under the chairmanship of Joint Secretary of Power Department Sarah S. Jamir at Dimapur yesterday. Joint Secretary of Power Department Sarah S. Jamir during the meeting appreciated both executive engineers electrical of Chumukedima and Dimapur divisions for their efforts. She also acknowledged that it was due to the proactive cooperation of the consumers of both Chumukedima and Dimapur districts that the revenue drive has been a success. Stressing that revenue collection is equally important, Sarah emphasized that welfare and grievances of the consumers and improvement in maintenance and staple power supply should not be neglected. Further, during the meeting, it was decided to continue with the rate or disconnection drive for revenue improvement along with operation and maintenance activities for the welfare of consumers. Nagaland reported 71 new cases of COVID-19 yesterday, taking the total confirmed cases to 34,927. On the other hand, 73 positive patients have recovered from the infection, adding the total recovered cases to 32,041, while the total COVID-19 fatality increased to 742 after 3 deaths were reported. At present, there are 691 active cases in the state with a sample positivity rate of 13.68%. As the number of COVID-19 cases are rising fast in several parts of the country, we appeal our listeners to be vigilant and get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, to get vaccinated. With the new Omicron variant of coronavirus causing concern, please continue to follow these 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information or guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011 2397 8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800 345 0019. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.